Okay, Rivian brought us out to my favorite hiking trail in Mission Trails today. So dropped off the kids, came straight out here. My little one's just happy as could be whenever we take a morning hike. It is beautiful here. I love it every time. So there you go. That's today's Rivian adventure. Fun fact, for anyone who might have noticed that my Rivian's name is Green Machine, that's not because of the color, or at least not alone. My mom's maiden name is Green. My Grandpa Green, was an avid outdoorsman, big hiker, and he flew me out very kindly to New Zealand, where he lived a long time ago before he passed. He was in his early 80s. I want to say he was 82, 84. And I had gotten out of the Army a couple years prior. And so I was still in relatively good shape. That guy, he could move at, he could have out-hiked me, I think. It was so much fun spending some time with him, hiking some trails in New Zealand. A very adventurous man, lived a very adventurous life, and yeah, Green Machine. That's in his honor, in his adventurous spirit. So there we go. That's for you, Grandpa Green. There we go. The trail put her to sleep. Climbers Loop North. Fantastic trail right here in the heart of East County. I love it. Haven't done it for years. We've been busy, but now that I have time, you can see I'm putting in some work and enjoying the trail again. So there's one more reason I love living in San Diego, specifically East County, because you're so close to everything. You're 30 minutes from the beach, 30 minutes from the mountains, and depending on the time of year, you've got snow. Then Mission Trails is just 15 minutes away, and there are tons of trails here. I'm sure I haven't done them all still. And there's a great visitor center here with a whole bunch of the history. There's a little museum inside with the history of the native people from this area and how they lived and what that all entailed for them. There's some really cool, you can see the old dam that they built. There's some grinding rocks, and the views, it's just, you feel like you're a million miles away when you get out to the top of some of these trails. Just a really fun time. Definitely get out when it's not too hot. I'm leaving now and it's 9:30. That's just about the right time, I think. So, but there's some climbing areas. I see a lot of climbers out here fairly often. I've been coming out here for years with my kids. Haven't come out here in a while, like I said. I love bringing all the kids out here. If it's hot, we hit the museum, and at least that's getting out of the house on a hot day. I'm not getting out here because of the Rivian. I'm not, you know, I could do this with just about any vehicle. Off-roading yesterday, in the video I posted yesterday, that's that I needed this. I needed the Rivian to do that. Get up to some more hiking trails up there on Black Mountain Truck Trail. But I do feel encouraged and inspired to get out more because of the Rivian. So it's such a capable, useful Swiss Army knife style family vehicle that just watching it waste away in a parking lot or on the pavement feels a bit wrong. It's like having a pair of hiking boots. You don't have to take them hiking. You don't have to start hiking because you bought a pair of hiking boots, but it's probably going to encourage you to do so. Think, maybe I will go hiking today. know I'm not out here because of the Rivian, but there's some inspiration there. Having a vehicle like this, that's kind of the hiking boot of vehicles, I love it. It's inspired me. You know, now my kids are back in school, and this one's a little easier. She's happier to come along with me for chunks of time. I drop the kids off at school, I get out and go for a walk somewhere. Went off-roading yesterday. I love living out. This is why things are so expensive in San Diego and in California in general. It's just an amazing place to get outside, go explore, be adventurous, and you're close to everything, anything you'd want. If you want to ski, if you want to hike, if you want to climb, if you want to swim, if you want to snorkel, if you want to go boating, whatever you want to do, yeah, you can do it. And I am happy I got to explore some of them with my Grandpa Green when he visited. Thanks for coming along with me again. Hope you guys have an excellent rest of your week.